ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel if travel and places are your interest. You can also follow us on Facebook, and yes, we are now available on Instagram too. Share your thoughts by emailing us or in the comment section. Now join me in experiencing this beautiful location. I hope you like it and find it useful as well. So it's time to explore another beautiful location with me. Today let's take you to some of the beautiful lakes of Austria that I have been to recently. Our first stop is going to be Grindelsee. I hope I'm pronouncing the name right. Grindelsee is roughly about 2 hours drive from Graz, the place where we started from. Unfortunately, there was heavy rain all along our drive, but since I was not on my motorbike this time, it was okay. Grindelsee is spread across an area of about 4.22 square kilometers, and it is the largest lake of Styria. You can cover most part of the lake by road itself, like we did. There are plenty of parking spots all along, so we did not face any problem finding one. The rain and the clouds sometimes made the place look more beautiful, and most of the times covered up some of the best views, I'd say. But it's nice to experience a place in all its colors, isn't it? Close to Grindelsee, there is another lake called Toplitsee. Toplitsee is just about 20 minutes walk from Grindelsee. Since it was getting too cold due to rain and strong winds, we could not spend much time at Grindelsee, and we started walking towards Toplitsee. As you can see, you will thoroughly enjoy this 20 minutes walk. So here we are, our second stop, Toplitsee. The lake has a length of about 1.9 kilometer and width of about 400 meters. One will definitely enjoy the view with mountains all around and the beautiful lake. So we took some videos, photographs, spent some time, and we really had a great time. Toplitsee. There is one nice restaurant in the woods. We thought of exploring it, but their menu had nothing for vegetarians. But non-vegetarians have some real nice options there. From Toplitsee, we headed towards Altazirsee, our third stop. Please pardon me if I'm not pronouncing the names right. This lake is so beautiful with mountains all around. From where you park your vehicle, you'll need to walk a bit to reach the lake. The highlight of our visit to this lake was, since it was raining and not many visitors were there, we got an exclusive boat ride just for the 4 of us. So we had the entire boat which could carry about 100 people for ourselves. This is one of the main reasons I could take some nice pics and videos of this place, since I could roam around the boat freely. There are many restaurants along the banks of these lakes, so you will have plenty of options. With Altasersi, we are ending our journey and we are heading back to Raj. So it's time for me to say bye, and I will see you again in my next video. Until then, take care and